Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from Coach. It's kind of one of the items I bought recently because recently Coach has been dropping a lot of retail items on their outlet website. But before I open this, I want to quickly mention that recently I have made a purchase on this website called Ssense, S-S-E-N-S-E. You may be familiar with it, and it may be a website that you used to like or something, but they haven't been able to ship out my orders and they're not agreeing on cancelling. So I have to open up a dispute with my credit card company. If you look through their social media's comments area, you would notice that they haven't been shipping out orders since early January. This is a little bit scary because it was kind of a pricey items I purchased, and now I kind of stuck there that I'm not getting my items and they are not shipping out and they are not refunding me at the moment. So I would recommend you to take a break from this Essence website. I was told that they used to be okay, like last year up till December they were still sending out orders, but I think since early January they haven't been sending out orders that customer put down. So I thought I would put it out there so that you don't fall into the trap and kind of stuck in the situation I'm in. Okay, now let's get back to my Coach unboxings. Recently I have bought a lot of Coach items because of their sales, and more coming. Today is just a small item. Let's open it up. So this is their Coach Academy pouch. The reason I wanted to get this one because I forgot that I had this one in my closet that sitting there for a while now. This is from their Peanuts collection, and I totally forgot that I bought this one. And then the other day when I organizing and looking through my items, I saw this one and I really love it. So because it's such a big size pouch that you could use for travel, and even when you just want to run errands, it's definitely enough to carry your hand wipes, phone, wallet, your phone. It has this really great front pocket and then real big compartment inside and two slip pockets. So I thought I would quickly show you this one. I do really love the details, the coated canvas. The quality of the coated canvas feel really good, and the red zipper is the contrasting color is really gorgeous. So because of this one, I told myself if I see another one, I'm going to get it. And then recently when Coach restocked their outlet website, they actually restocked many of this Academy pouch. And I, being a self-proclaimed realistic person, I just couldn't let myself buy multiple same items. So this one is the one that I picked out of, I think five or six options that they restocked. They restocked some coated canvas one, and I think one of them they even have studs all over it. But this one is the leather version that has this blue denim color, really beautiful pebble leather. But this one, not sure you can see, is some kind of weird dent here. Some angle it looks not so great, but some angle is okay. I think I probably would just keep this because it doesn't really bother me as that much. I have seen worse with all the leather bag I purchased. So, and I still love this pouch. Let's remove the strap. See, it does come with this kind of a wristlet type of attachment. You can slide in as carry it to run errands and such. The leather feels very good. Like, it feels like real leather. I think sometimes with the contemporary brands, their leather bag start to feel too artificial. But this one, I like the texture. It feels soft and squishy, and when you touch it, when you look at it, you feel like, oh, you can tell this is real leather. And inside of the, I want to show you, it's pretty simple and straightforward inside the pouch. It has two big slip pockets, so you can put your phone, your wallet, and then you still have this big space. I like big pouches from Coach. They're really well made, and you can see all the stitches are really beautifully done, and it's kind of a cool construction. Even the side is at least like I think 1.5 inches depth, so you could put quite a lot of stuff. So to test it out, I brought up my Fujifilm X100V camera, because sometimes I do bring this camera out. So I wonder if this camera actually could fit in the pouch. Look at that. It may stick out slightly, but you could even bring this with your camera inside, and it's really convenient. And I love how big size this is. And now looking at this pouch, I feel like I really should have gotten more than just one, but I have other bags that I wanted to get, and they are on the way. So hopefully you like today's unboxing, and come back for more if you like Coach products, because I have multiple on the way. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.